So Kathy, you're coming to the tail end of an amazing 8 years of service in Montrose. If you had to select the top 3 significant accomplishments, what would they be?
I think hiring Bill Bell was one of the biggest things we've done.
He literally, in 90 days, established an entire department and created a new way for Montrose to be looked at.
I want to give a lot of credit to you, because what really happened was, I think during a budget meeting, we were talking about the tourism and the retail sales, and we kind of sprung the whole thing on staff. We said, let's see what you guys can do. The proof is in the pudding. The retail sales are $1 million more than what was budgeted. That's awesome.
There's a vibrancy in the visitor center through the mobile application, the website, the touch screens. All of that is coming together to help bring about really the message of Montrose and why Montrose ought to be considered a destination versus a drive-through.
I don't want to have Montrose as a base camp. I want Montrose to be the place to come.
It's a community building atmosphere down there on Saturday mornings at the field. And it's amazing that the Rec District can do that for such a low cost and really make that program accessible to so many kids in our community.
We want to see the community prosper, not just in terms of dollars, but in terms of health and well-being.
The city and the Rec District have really been able to make some great strides recently. As an elected official, I know you and I are both really proud of the tax savings we've been able to bring to the citizens by working together.
Well, if there's a silver lining to a recession for government, it's that it allows you to learn how to do more with less because you have to.
You get a little creative.
You do.
I love the way that we are doing some shared services between the Rec District and the City of Montrose. It's saving us a lot of money, and it's, I think, helping you out too. And we've seen a tremendous improvement in service.
Now you're building a rec center.
Yep.
And I know you're going to lose a few hairs in that process. That's why I don't have any hair.
It's going to be state-of-the-art. It's going to be the best, biggest recreation center in the western slope of Colorado. It's revealing what happens when the community comes together and works together. And that sort of collaborative spirit is very much ingrained in pretty much every interaction that the Rec District has with the City of Montrose, in creating opportunities to bring in grant dollars from Great Outdoors Colorado, GOCO, and DOLA. They're noticing that good things are happening in Montrose, that grant dollars are well invested here. It's all going to add up to improving the quality of life and improving the attractiveness of Montrose for new residents and new businesses. And it's just, again, it's a really exciting time to be in Montrose.
I'm excited about the next few years. There's going to be a lot of huge projects coming to fruition. We've focused on our small businesses and retaining and expanding the businesses that we have. Small businesses are the backbone of our economy and any economy, and so we really have tried to make them stronger and more vibrant and successful over the long term.
I think we're having all those parts of our community come together and form something big, bigger than I had ever imagined.
That's the key thing about Montrose. It's for everybody. It's this community that you guys and everybody has built that we want to share it and we want to enjoy it together. I love it here. This is my home, and I just want to build this community up. We can just make this the best place in Colorado.